up, YouTube? We're back at it again with another banger, another vacation. Guess where we're at today? Tennessee. So right now we are in Pigeon Forge at a mountain coaster called the Goat Coaster, or Goats on the Roof. If you don't know what a mountain coaster is, it's literally the name. But to get a little bit more in depth, it's literally a bunch of tracks in like these little carts. You can see it over here, kind of, right over there. And it's a really fun experience. This one is about like 5 minutes long, probably. In the beginning, you're going up slowly, you're going up, so you're not really doing anything. But then when you get to a certain part, you push your handles all the way down and you go full speed down the ramps or whatever. You're locked in, don't worry, you're not falling off. And there's a lot of these in Tennessee, and they, like, during like holidays like Christmas, they have a bunch of Christmas lights and stuff like that, so it's a really fun experience. I like it better at night personally, but it is kind of scary. Not like scary like because it's fast, unless you don't like fast stuff, but scary because it's in the dark and you're in the woods. But there's a lot of them in Tennessee, and we do them every time we come. And there's like Alpine. There's like a really big one. It's really cool. I'll have to find the name for that one later. But yeah, it's a very fun experience. So if you're here in Tennessee, go try that out. That was our experience on the mountain coaster. My beanie almost flew off. It was fun, it was fast, and I recommend this.